Good morning, Cindy here with Food Forward. Today we're going to be making a ground beef cheesy cauliflower hot dish. In your crate you're going to have your cut up cauliflower, ground beef with a little onion in it, some tomato and some cheese. Okay. You can season this cauliflower any way that you would want. I think I'll just put a little salt and pepper in there, but this would be kind of good with a little bit of sweet curry powder, chili powder, whatever flavor that you want to add to it. Commercial kitchen size spices here. I would have something a little smaller at home, but it works. And I don't measure much. I just put like literally maybe a quarter teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to sprinkle that in here. Give it a stir. Next, I'm going to put our tomatoes in there. These are a diced tomato, but you know, you could, whatever you might have in your pantry, if you have stewed tomatoes, if you have tomato paste, or even like fresh tomatoes, chop them up and put them in. But today I have diced tomatoes. Last but not least is our ground beef. Like I said, that's got a little onion and salt and pepper in it. Again, add whatever flavors that you like in your hot dish. So I decided that I want to put a little bit of water in with the hot dish so that the cauliflower will get steamed and soften it. So I'm just using my little jar that had the tomatoes in it, so then I'll get all the rest of the tomato sauce out of there. I would say 1/8 to 1/4 cup of water is going to be plenty. Alright, so I'm going to just cover this, turn the heat down a little smidge. Today my lid is a little bit small, but you know what? I'm going to just set it in there. It's going to serve the purpose. I'm going to put the cheese over the top of it and melt it. And the way I'm going to do that is by covering it with the lid. Probably maybe 3-4 minutes. So I'm going to take the lid off, and our cheese is nicely melted over all of that cauliflower and ground beef and tomatoes. Everything is nice and hot. How's that? Beautiful. All right, I'm going to give this a test. What would a cook be if she didn't test it? Good. Ground beef casserole, hot dish, or goulash, whatever you call it. Toodles.